The startup first phone has arrived throughout Norwich in the US. It's affordable and has a unique design, but there are even more reasons to want one. What is the Nothing Phone one? Does it arrive the iPhone? Should you buy one? I have finally been able to get my hand on a phone and found there are plenty of reasons to like it. From its flashing LED lift to its affordable price, a lack of US availability at launch is disappointing, but otherwise this phone seems like its interesting mid-range model of those of you wanting something a bit different from Apple, Samsung, or Google device. Now subscribe this channel, What Technical, and press the bell icon. Here then it is one what you need to know about this first phone from the tech startup Nothing, including its price, when you can buy it, and currically whether it is actually any good. What is Nothing? Nothing is a tech brand started in 2022 by entrepreneur Kurt Pai, and he was one of the founder of OnePlus, a company that offer phones and other devices, has been known for making solid products with good specs at price that are typically undercut its rival Apple and Samsung. It was exact that philosophy has transferred OnePlus from a teeny niche company to a top tech brand with products that offer serious competition to the best ones out there. Pi left OnePlus to start up the new company. Nothing, while I can't say I'm much of the fan of the name, Pi philosophy of trying to do things a little different, and the trials should make it an interesting brand to keep an eye on. What's exciting about is nothing fun. But who cares who's behind the company if the product itself it doesn't have the anything to shoot about. Thankfully, the Nothing Phone one has some neat features to look forward to. It is a design where it really stands out, and the back has a clear cover. It exposes the internal and make it feel like you. Looking in the heart of the phone, you can see where different pieces connect, and you can see explore screw head and olive branding on a subtle Nothing logo and the little red dot, which is the signature of the brand. But it gets better. Some of those pieces seen beneath the cover that are actually LED that light up, but is nothing sell a glimpse when you get incoming of the notification. This is arguably something of a novelty, but it is definitely quite a fun trick of this one. On the back, you will also find a dual camera setup with the standard and ultra wide view. The phone is worked in a metal band that look and feel nice, while 6.55 inches OLED display in vibrant and sharp. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus processor should be more than capable of the handling everyday need, while also giving you access that super fast 5G network. It is an Android phone and it's hard running the latest Android 12 over, which is nothing has slapped a neat and clutter-free interference that doesn't preload any nonsense that could slow down. There are features like in screen fingerprint scanning, IP58 water resistant, 180 Hz screen refresh rate, and fast charging, all of which add up to this phone feeling surprisingly features packed of this price. How much does the Nothing Phone 1 cost? One of the most exciting thing about this phone is affordable price. It costs $399 in the UK. It put it firmly in a lower mid-range price bracket, which is the honest came as surprise when I first heard it. The specs seem really solid with a such focus or design. I expected a price of maybe £100 more. You are getting a decent performing fonts for a good price on paper at least. US pricing is not confirmed when I will come to, but that $399 price convert directly to $475 or US $700, which put it around the same price as the 2022 iPhone SE for $29 on the upcoming US on Google Pixel 6a $4. Why can't I buy the Nothing Phone once? The phone launched Tuesday in the UK and Europe first. There is not currently a firm plan on which it might get a proper US launch, and it is like to happen through perhaps once Nothing find a cater to a partner with the help make it 5G brand capability. We will bring you US availability update as soon as they happen. Is the phone a first nothing product? The phone one is probably the most high profile and the most exciting product. Nothing has launched, but it the first product was set of earbuds. It launched last year called the Nothing Air One Buds. You can certainly tell they are from the same team and there is a definite aesthetic share between the product with the same transparent element that show the inner working. Like the phone, the bird will launch with a more reasonable price but still offer pretty decent performance. Overall, they made them well worth considering if you didn't fancy splashing out of the Apple earbud. If you have the nothing birds and love the unusual look, then you will almost certainly appreciate the phone. Should I buy the nothing fun one? There is always going to be a lot of funfair and PR spins and marketing nonsense around a new company, and certainly some of the nothing rhetoric and around more souls, breakup, simplicity, and a new way to communicate is arguable. A little pretentious, but putting all of the company nonsense aside and the actual product itself seem pretty good. It's got a solid set of specs and stripped back interference. While its design might not be everything taste and it certainly stand out from the crowd personally I think it quite cool, but it is an affordable price that I think make the phone is so appealing. The phone one is not trying to compete with the phone iPhone 13 Pro on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Extend it aim to give a decent overall experience for a price that much more approachable to those of us tightening our pursue things. We are testing the phone right now. For the full review, putting its processor, camera, and other features through the pace to see just how well it performs against the competition and whether it's really worth your money. Now subscribe this channel, what technical, and press the bell icon.